Rèis sin gach ginlach liú ag Fascit dáhas sa bhating. Tá really cruí ar a ré darmh checkpoint a lára agus díreach darmh. So mé hótálaiste a grach a chríoch nach chuig. Ba sin ag a chéadol amach go bhfuil chatal a réir ach dhéann sig sin nach rá na scipion eile dul a chatal. Ba mé fíor hálaite sin na chláinjin. Tá sin ar bhí glósat an na háisigh sin na dé ag mé amá. Agus tháineist tú na chalir léo de dé seach sa bhating. Tá mis sé do lí seo dhéanú 3 thuair an chéine an sa Highland Trail 550 agus chuint a díte. A Dèan a hachgéad a do lí seo sé the path of 1,000 puddles. Agus chaine lán di éicin siúnas. Tá mé géise brí ag an ar thuirt mé ginne path of 1,000 puddles gan lán di éicin a hana seo sé path of 1,000 puddles a hán chuint. Sé do lí a thuirt.
Oh, gee.
No! Oh! Oh, had je een grach. Sinne kalm, cumail. Have you such a good picture?
Oh.
You alright, Colin?
Oh, good, yeah.
Er het ma a bhí mis skippes, sé a bhí ciúntacha rutan mé géine thuúda ne.
Seo acu dam oran. Tá mis go má díal a damicin. Hannig go é dam a múnar, an dam a seán nálasa. Húpar dam na Gaeltoch. Oh, feeling tired now.
Níl seo ha sin bhú buin gain agus a sin chamas agáis ha sin de opíanú har sinú matin tro an aiche agus ha dar a bhís min sin gin hula puing ach I gné nám ha sin siar a cí chuidir sin carm catal bí sin pí sin le cínte sé ú híide ham agus cuideach ha sin caiint ar loch níos an mappa.
A sin dal an loch, a sin dal sias, a sin hastal dhéan casteúirecha trin agus áitcin eile agus sin céilcha chabí sin an lách achar sin socha tí uair a híide nómar sin. Ach! A sin na cumán t-shirt gal, ag an íad a sin na cúd gan uisce an lochnis.
Sa Angus a seo, gopur trangir ma chúlú. Tá mé fáin coach an cuiteach. Woo! Sin se féin. Sin a checkpoint ac in a sin.
Do you want me to pull you in?
Féin sin ma.
Out and in.
Come on.
Different tactics.
My legs are so stiff, we don't move.
A chalum ha checkpoint ac in di ein. This ours. I seo chiad scan a mír éichgin agus ma mascara a rih ar an nutan ac an sarafism. Han I mír scan éichgin as hatúrs dunne sa skip acin. Glant o húlan níos go fí.
Well, right actually, but I share a J, but J really choppy. I guess I've had a think of who that was to the Rui. Ach, was she the ghost? Did you? I guess I've had a kind of sasa. So, pointed him come out.
I should have told Yanni from the lion show. Point to Rash. I guess I bet I can give a bit of an eile. I can be taught to show the Barachushkin if you sass.
You lifted it.
Yeah, so this is a special stage, and I'm okay with heights as long as I'm not jumping or falling, so I'm a bit nervous about this one. Very nervous. Just recently I went to Slate Quarry and it's like 5 foot. I couldn't jump off it. So don't know how I'm going to get on with this, and there's all kinds of ropes and things, and yeah, apparently I'm going to fall rather than jump, which makes it sound better. My head torch isn't working.
Right, are you with the guys who are?
Yeah.
Right. Oh, it's on now.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
Excellent. That's no excuse, then I tried.
I've got you. There you go. You ready?
Yeah.
Good luck.